Check out the standing desk. It's pretty cool and I have nothing but good things to say about it. It works very well and is very spacious. So this is the maple top, 47 inches wide. I really didn't need anything bigger than 47 inches. As you can see, it offers plenty of space. The mechanisms of it work very well. I'll actually show you how it works. So it's super easy to use, not rocket science at all. It's pretty self-explanatory. To raise it, you press the up arrow. To lower it, of course, you press the down arrow. Now the cool thing is that you can do preset sitting settings or preset standing settings. So I just press standing and it's going to go up to the preset height. In the same way, you can press the setting and it's going to go down to the preset sitting height. On each side of the desk, you have hooks, so you have the option of hanging headphones or maybe a small backpack. I love how convenient that is. So I'm going to raise it up to its highest height just to give you an idea of just how tall it is. And it's going to stop there. So obviously this is way too tall for me. I'm 5'5", so if you're any taller, you're going to have plenty of height to be able to raise it up to a comfortable level for you. So since this is too tall for me, I'm going to lower it to a comfortable height. And I would say about right here. If I was working standing up right now, this would be a good level for me. I just love that we have that option now to be able to stand up at your desk while you work. I sit at a desk 10 plus hours a day, and being able to stand up, stretch, kind of wake up a bit while still working is awesome. So I highly recommend this desk for that. It's good quality, it's cute, it works very well. Like I said, plenty of space, so I do recommend it.